Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. China is having second thoughts about how some industries there are operating with their super competitive impulses. But first, a widely watched American leading index tracker weakened in June. The US Conference Board's leading economic index continued its fall, which started in mid-2022, and has picked up its pace of decline somewhat. The leading index fell by 2.8% over the first half of 2025, a substantially faster rate of decline than the 1.3% contraction over the second half of 2024. For a second month in a row, the stock market rally was the main support of the leading index. But this is not enough to offset still very low consumer expectations, weak new orders in manufacturing, and a third consecutive month of rising initial claims for unemployment insurance there. North of the border, a central bank survey shows that tariffs and related uncertainty, along with spillover effects on the Canadian and global economies, continue to have major impacts on businesses' outlooks. However, the worst-case scenarios that firms envisaged last quarter are now seen as less likely to occur. Across the Pacific, the People's Bank of China kept its loan prime rates at record lows during the July fixing yesterday, as was expected. The economic resilience in the Chinese economy means they're keeping their powder dry, even though American tariffs and threats remain a concern, but those resonate less at present. Of more concern there is how to deal with widespread fierce price competition that threatens the viability of some key industries. In Australia, forecasting conducted by car dealerships suggests that vehicles manufactured in China will make up almost half of their sales within a decade in a major market shift. And the US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.37%, down 6 basis points from yesterday at this time. And the price of gold will start today at $3,393 an ounce, up $45 from yesterday. But American oil prices are a little softer, but still just over $67 a barrel, while the international Brent price is now just on $69 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is now at 59.8 US cents, up 15 basis points from yesterday. Against the Aussie, though, we're unchanged at 91.6 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're down 20 basis points at 51.1 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 67.4 and down 10 basis points from yesterday. You can get more news about the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.